Hey, I'm Michael Costello, and this is Dress Tips and Tricks, how to dress for work. Example, this is a great business suit for work for any age, whether, in your early 20s to your late 60s, maybe even 70s. This is a great look. A lot of women can pull off this look. It's a simple blazer, one button, paired with a mini skirt, and I chose to go with the color gray. I think gray is a really beautiful color, and if you pair it with something that's really beautiful, like a nice pop of color, I put the cobalt blue silk top with it. So this is a great look for any woman. You can pair it off with a really fun necklace to show a little humor in the workroom. Do the makeup really fun, really clean, and add another pop of color with the lips. It's a great office look. Really easy jacket. You can come off when you're in your business meeting. And underneath you have this great silk blouse that just fits really, really good. And this can even transition into something into the evening. If you need to take clients out for a meeting, get a few appetizers, talk about tomorrow's deadline. This is comfortable. You can do it in something like this. And if you want to change it and you're going out, you want to take your clients out, another thing you can do is slip this little skirt off here. And this makes a really, really great dress. You can go out in this, you can go to a club in this, you can do a lot in this. It's great little fun tips and tricks. I'm Michael Costello, and you're watching How to Dress for Work.